our Kunjang University helping the foreign students very well. The Indian student cannot speak Korean well, so yeah, we can translate it. Indian students usually can speak English well.
Hello, everybody. Welcome. I am Mansi Sharma, and today with us we have Professor Mr. Kyosung Oh. He's the Director of Office of International Affairs, and today he's joining us for a very special occasion. Rus Education and Kunjang University College have signed a Memorandum of Understanding that will allow students from India to go and pursue courses in nursing in South Korea. So, Professor, what would you like to tell us about this association?
Yes, the Kunjang University is located in southern parts of Korean Peninsula. It takes 2.5 hours from Seoul. You know Seoul?
Yes.
Yes. So not far from Seoul, there are many departments, but I wanted to introduce some majors the foreign students wanted to study in Korea. The first one, hotel management and the tourism department.
Okay.
Yes, and a cooking department.
Okay.
Yeah, and Korean language and the culture department. And automobile engineering department. And machinery department, CAD, CAM, CNC. The last one, it is very special department. The name of department is New Material Processing Department.
Okay.
It consists of two parts. One is welding. The other one is heat treatment.
Okay.
This department for only foreign students. The Korean student cannot study here.
Okay.
After 2 years study at this department, foreign students can get job in Korea
Okay.
as a E7 visa.
Okay.
And if the student work in Korea more 3 years, they can get F5 visa.
Okay.
F5 visa means that some foreigners can live in Korea forever.
Okay.
Yes,
So like a permanent resident.
yes. So F5 visa is a permanent, residence, visa in Korea.
Okay.
Yeah. So I hope many Indian students come to Korea and study hard, and I hope they can get the job in Korea. And if they return to India, I think they can get job at Korean company in India because they can speak Korean. Maybe the Korean company will employ them easily.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about them having employment opportunities in other countries? How will this course help them?
Yes. If they have some qualification for about his or her major, I think many other countries they can get a job. Also, Indian students usually can speak English well.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think including Korea, they can get any other countries. Also, as I told you, they will be welcomed if they work in a Korean company in India.
Okay. So this memorandum of understanding between Rus Education and the university is something that is a very big opportunity for students in India to go to Korea and pursue the different courses that Professor O has just mentioned. So it's a great opportunity for anybody who is looking to pursue not just in one department, but there are several courses that are being offered by the university. So is there any basic requirement for an Indian student to go to the university? Any basic educational requirements for them?
Yeah, I think if the Indian student learn Korean language in advance before coming to Korea, it will be very helpful, and they can make shorten the studying period in Korea because they can speak Korean. Yeah, so there are two courses. One is Korean language course. The other one is the major course. So if the student can get topic level 3, they can enter the major department.
Directly.
Yeah. So if they can get the topic level 3, yeah, they can go to the major because they can easily
Understand.
without language course they can go to manager. Okay.
Okay, so if you are well versed in the Korean language, then it's easier for you to pursue the course. And if you can speak the language well, then you can get admission and passing into the major course.
Yes.
Without having to go through the language first.
Yeah.
So okay, that's that. Then what about the language? What about the lifestyle in Korea for an Indian student? How is it? How will they be able to adapt over there?
Yeah. We have the international peers office. Yeah, the office staff is helping the foreign student
Okay.
because the foreign student everything new to them. So our steps kindly help them to adapt in the Korean life. And also we have our school dormitory. They can they can be guided by some counselor, and also the for instance can make their food in the dormitory.
Okay.
So it is save the living cost.
Comes down.
And if Indian students are sick, our staff will go to the hospital with Indian students, and because the Indian student cannot speak Korean well, so yeah, we can translate it. So in every part, we are trying to do our best to help foreign students now.
Okay, so basically, if any student is traveling from India, living at the university and pursuing a course over there is an easy transition from India because medical facilities are available, translators are available for those who are unable to speak the language. Some dormitories also have the option of cooking for students who do not wish to purchase meals from outside, so that brings down the cost of living. And of course, the accommodation is also available for the students. So, Professor O, is there anything in particular that you would want the students to know before traveling or before applying for the courses?
Yeah, there is no special. Especially, I think there is no special, preparation. Only if they speak Korean well, it is very helpful.
Okay.
Yeah, and the other one is our staff will help the Indian student to study in Korea and live in Korea. For example, even 2 years, half, 2 year and half years ago, there is no foreign students.
Okay.
But now is more than 300 students are foreign students are studying in Kunjang University. So it is the evidence that our Kunjang University helping the foreign students very well. So if you want, if the Indian students want to study in Korea, don't hesitate to apply. Rus Education.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'd like to mention the courses again that the students can apply for. First is hotel management and tourism. Then there's cooking. Then there's Korean language and cultural department.
Yes.
And fashion design department. And automobile engineering department. So these are the different departments in which an Indian student can apply for education at the Kunjang University in South Korea. Professor Oh, we'd like to thank you so much for joining us for this little chat.
Yes.
And I hope we have a long association
Okay.
with the university. And if anybody has any questions, please do comment in the comment section and we will be sure to reply to it and answer all your queries.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.